Alright, this is what's hot right now. Panini plates and patches. It's got the nice pop. You need something to cut it with. So the trick is to try and conceal your patch card. Alright. Let's see how we do. Alright, so it looks like we got one thickish card in there. So our first one's a Peyton Manning. It's numbered to 499. Base card's very dark. A bit hard to read. LaShawn McCoy, 499. Matthew Stafford, 4 of 10. Then we got Honours of Josh Cribbs to 299. We got Dennis Pitta, 299. We got an auto Brody Eldridge to 249. Derek Morgan to 649. And that's a rookie, as was the other one. And our jersey card is Sam Bradford. That's alright. To 299. Alright. Well, that was that's them. Now our patch is okay. Sue, I won't say I won't go for his first name. That's not really much of a patch, to tell you the truth. It's just all white. But he was a very high pick, numbered to 199. So if anyone needs any of those, let me know. But yeah, if you need your football, your basketball, head to cherrycollectibles.com.au. It will fix you up.